today's edition of the birthday surprise.
Okay, I got an idea, Brad. Why don't you call the... Okay, take her off. Take her off. Okay, call the nominator.
Mm-hmm.
Call the nominator, and we'll have a chat with her and see if there's anything that... what was that? Brad said, no, let's not call her. Let's not call her because she's not going to be too happy.
Thank you.
Let's talk to her. Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Jeevani?
No, this is Nadi.
Nadi? Nadi?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Nadi, this is Nipuna again.
Yes, tell me, Nipuna.
Sorry, I had got your number from Jeevani, in fact. I couldn't speak to you before you wanted to. You had...
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, so your son did the exam and...
the son did the exam, and now the issue is he has gone into some type of depression. I inquired as to what the situation and the problem was, and he told me that some of the roads had been closed during the exam period or something. He has failed because of the road closures. I just wanted to know how come you had this happen.
What do you mean by how come I had this?
No, in the sense now, why did the exams take place when the roads were actually closed?
To begin with, we don't have a choice in the matter of exams because UK stipulates the date, so we have to conduct the exam.
Do you know anybody in the UK I can contact?
No, but then there was a shuttle bus service which we arranged, so no, every other student didn't have an issue. They all sat for the exam.
No, you see, my son, he has this mild case of anxiety. You call it anxiety, I think, where he gets really nervous and he has trouble basically, dealing with certain situations. So what the problem is, this shuttle service might have been there, but when he got to the exam location, he was not in a position to take the exam. Is there any way we can maybe retake the exam?
He can retake it. Of course, he'll have to wait for 6 months. What you do is, I'm a board member of CIM, but I'm the treasurer.
Okay.
I'm not the head for education.
Right.
I'll give you the number of the head of education. Will you talk to him?
I can talk to him also, but now what now? Can you just guide me to what exactly should I do to? I don't
That's
think.
the thing. I can't because in terms of exams and repeats, I'm not quite knowledgeable because I'm the treasurer for the region. Money matters, yes, I can.
Right.
So you talk to Ajit. He's the head of education.
Okay.
Ajit will guide you. Give me a second.
No, right. Okay, fine. I can take the number from you anyways. I'll take the number from you.
Okay.
But what do you think I should do about this depression, my son's depression? I mean, usually what needs to be done in situations like this as a...
To advise you, actually, I'm still at home and I'm trying to leave to office. What I'll do is I'll give your number to the head of education and ask him to call.
Right. So that means if you were in office, you would be able to help me, is it?
I'll get someone to call you, Nipun, okay?
Okay, just before you leave, hello? Brad, how...
I have no idea what happened. We called the nominator's number and that call got diverted or something.
See, this is what I said.
Oh, look.
We can't do these calls with Brad messing it up like this.
Yeah, right. No, actually, we called the nominator, but for some reason, I don't know whether the calls were diverted or something, and that's what happened.
I was so not ready for that.
I didn't expect that.
At least she still believes that this is Nipuna.
Yes, that's a good part
and
about the
now
whole
she's
thing.
never going to pick up the phone again. So I guess the only thing we can do is wish her a happy birthday. It would have been fantastic if let's call her back one final time. Let's call her back one final time. Just be like, one more thing.
Here we go.
Brad, do you know the number to dial? Or are you going to dial another mystery number and all of a sudden Mrs. Dharmajee is going to pop out?
I think the calls are diverted. They've actually done something like that.
A little jugglery.
Yeah, probably. That's only... Hold on.
He's fine. He's never gonna pick up now. Happy birthday! That's all we can do now.
Hello.
Hi, hello? Hello, it's Nipun.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, Nadi? Oh, no. It's trouble. Let's sing along. Put the volume down, Brett. Just put your little volume away. Nadi?
Yeah, Nipuna, I know you're from EFM. So
Yeah.
I'm in the bathroom trying to take a
Oh no! See, but Nadi, all said and done, for a while you did fall for it, correct?
I mean, obviously, I thought you got your son's depression.
But we were trying to call you for so long. I don't know what's happened to the numbers. They were like diverted or something.
Nadi, by the way, did you try to call us back?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
that's
Well,
what we've done.
anyways, a big hug to you. Your friends at office nominated you for the e-birthday surprise, and we tried our level best to surprise you. Hopefully, we kind of fooled you.
You did.
Good. Good. Happy birthday, Nadi. Happy birthday. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Most welcome. There you go. That's, of course, Nadi Dharmasit is celebrating her birthday today. She's, of course, at Ashreen Alliance.
Nominate your loved ones by calling 557777 extension 117. Speak to Tanya. Tune into the showgram to find out if your special someone gets pranked on air.